Welcome to your class 8C. I'm your teacher, Miss Fowler, and I'm looking forward to having fun and interactive lessons with you. And for us to achieve that, then you will have to know how to use your Google Classroom, and that is what this video is about. As you can see, I'm now at the stream. What happens at the stream is everything that I post in your Google Classroom will be here. Now I have a very special welcome message for you right here. So you're going to click on this very special welcome message.
Hi, Grade 8C. Welcome to your English Language Google Class.
Ooh, did you hear that? It mentioned 8C. And after you watch your welcome message, then you can come to the top to this tab and you go to classwork. Here you'll see all the notes that I've posted for you along with the assignment. For whichever one you would like to go over, you simply come to that tab, you click on it like this. It will have a drop down. You click on what is there. There's a comment section where it says add comment. You will be able to add your thoughts and what is your questions, and I will respond accordingly. If you want to know your marks for any assignment you have completed, then here's a place that you could look for your marks. Now, if you want to know who are your classmates, then you simply come to people in the class and you'll be able to see your classmates. But what is very important is for you to always check the classwork. Once you check the classwork, you'll see what is due. For example, your English language assessment is due on January 9th, 2026. So you need to complete this before the deadline. So I look forward to having a very fun and interactive semester with you all to enjoy. Bye bye now.